Today I have in my hands what could be the future of computing. It doesn't have a name yet, it doesn't have a price, and the release date is also fuzzy, but we know it's coming in 2020. This is the first foldable PC from Lenovo. It will have the ThinkPad branding, but we don't know the exact name yet. What we want to show you is the potential of this device and also how it differs versus some Galaxy Folds that are out there right now in terms of the design. But one thing that you'll notice right off the bat, this is a 13-inch display that folds very well. The mechanism on the hinge is very sturdy, and what's really cool is that you do not see the crease when this is fully unfolded. If you get in close, you can see that you can barely tell that it has a foldable display at all, but when you start folding it up, you'll see that you'll be able to use this in multiple modes, including using the pen. So when this is closed, it folds up just like a notebook that you could take with you. But let's show you what some of the modes will act like once this hits the market. First things first, there is a kickstand built on here, so if you want to, you can use this as a mini all-in-one. You can also have a keyboard right here, which is really important for Lenovo because they know people want something with real travel, although there is a touch keyboard built in as well. Here's a couple of different modes. So this would be surfing the web. This could be a document that you want to review on the go, so you could use this in book mode. If I swipe again, you'll see that there is pen support built in. So if you wanted to, you could use it like this when it's laid flat, which would be great when you're in a meeting. And you'll see that the pen support should work over here. Okay, so it is very early days for this foldable PC prototype from Lenovo, but we do think that the company has the chance to completely reinvent computing and the ThinkPad at the same time. This is just our first look at the next ThinkPad. This is Mark Spoonhour with Laptop Mag.